This woman lowered her head just a little, and the entire clay piece was instantly ruined. But surprisingly, for many ceramic artists, destroying their own work is actually intentional. That moment, when a carefully crafted piece collapses in an instant, can bring a strange, powerful sense of release. One artist even became famous after a shelf full of his clay work suddenly collapsed on camera. At first, it was just an accident, but viewers found the moment oddly satisfying. Over time, he leaned into this style, turning destruction into part of the art itself. There are even workshops where people shape clay figures just to smash them completely, imagining their stress, frustration, or even someone they dislike and crushing it away. They say if you scroll without liking, your stress isn't getting smashed today.
Ever wondered how a pile of tiny Lego pieces turns into something amazing? First, like and subscribe my channel. Well, watch this. At the start, it looks like nothing. Just random bricks everywhere. But step by step, piece by piece, the magic begins. First, the base comes together, the foundation of the whole build. Then the walls start rising, slowly shaping the structure. Every small brick matters. Every detail counts. Now comes the fun part, adding the design, the colors, the personality.
This guy decided to recreate all the weird little things we used to do as kids but never talked about. He started by climbing the stairs while skipping multiple steps, stretching his legs just to reach the top faster. Then he twisted the swing chains all the way up so he could spin around until he got dizzy. He even rode his bike while sitting on the back seat, pretending he was a cool motorbike racer. And at one point, he pushed an empty bowl underwater just to feel the pressure build up inside it. If you remember doing at least one of these, hit the like button. Today in baking class, the teacher gave a challenge. Everyone had to make a strawberry-shaped cake, and the best one would win. The first girl showed hers. It looked just like a real strawberry. Then the second girl showed hers, and the teacher said, "This is the best so far." Then the third boy showed his cake, and the teacher laughed and said, "This looks just like your face." Everyone laughed, but the boy got a little quiet, and even after trying his best, no one gave his cake a like.